What if the first person to live to 150 years old is already alive today? Not in the distant future, not in science fiction. Right now, scientists are quietly unlocking the secrets of aging, and the results are shocking. From reversing biological age, to repairing damaged DNA, to growing new organs in labs, we are entering a new era where death from aging may no longer be inevitable.
Welcome to Infinite Science.
Aging is not just getting old, it's a biological process, and scientists now understand it far better than ever before. Inside your body, trillions of cells are constantly dividing, repairing, and replacing themselves. But over time, this system begins to break down. There are a few major reasons. DNA damage builds up, cells stop dividing properly. Toxic proteins accumulate, and your body's repair systems weaken. One key concept is something called cellular senescence. These are zombie cells, cells that don't die but also don't function properly. Instead, they release harmful chemicals that damage surrounding tissue. Another major factor is telomeres, protective caps at the ends of your DNA. Every time your cells divide, these telomeres get shorter. Eventually, they become too short, and the cell stops working. For decades, scientists believed this process was unavoidable. But now, that assumption is being challenged. In recent years, researchers have made a discovery that changes everything. Aging might be reversible. One of the biggest breakthroughs came from experiments on mice. Scientists were able to reprogram old cells into younger ones using special proteins. This process is known as epigenetic reprogramming. In one experiment, old mice had their vision restored. Their cells literally became younger again. Another breakthrough involves senolytics, drugs designed to remove those zombie cells. When scientists cleared these cells in animals, the results were dramatic. Increased lifespan, improved physical function, reduced disease. Then there's NAD+ therapy, a molecule that declines as we age. Boosting NAD+ levels has been shown to improve energy production and cellular repair. These are not theories anymore. Human trials are already underway. Now imagine if we could edit our genes to slow down aging itself. That's exactly what scientists are trying to do using CRISPR technology. CRISPR allows researchers to precisely modify DNA, almost like editing text in a document. Scientists are targeting genes linked to longevity, genes that control inflammation, genes that repair DNA, genes that regulate metabolism. Some animals already live far longer than humans, like certain whales and turtles. By studying their DNA, researchers are identifying the genetic blueprints for long life. If we can apply those insights to humans, living to 150 might not just be possible, it could become normal. One of the biggest reasons people die is organ failure. But what if we could simply replace failing organs? Scientists are now growing organs in laboratories using stem cells. These lab-grown organs could one day eliminate transplant waiting lists entirely. There are also breakthroughs in 3D bioprinting, printing living tissue layer by layer. Researchers have already created mini hearts, liver tissue, skin grafts. Another revolutionary idea is regenerative medicine. Instead of replacing organs, we could repair them from within. Stem cells can be programmed to regenerate damaged tissues, potentially reversing diseases like heart failure or Alzheimer's. This means your body might one day heal itself. Artificial intelligence is accelerating everything. AI can analyze massive amounts of medical data in seconds, finding patterns humans would never detect. It's already being used to predict diseases before symptoms appear, design new drugs faster than ever, personalize treatments for each individual. In the future, you may have an AI system monitoring your health 24/7, detecting problems before they become serious. Instead of reacting to illness, we will prevent it entirely. And that alone could add decades to human life. This isn't just science, it's a multi-billion-dollar industry. Major companies and billionaires are investing heavily in life extension. Tech entrepreneurs funding anti-aging research, startups developing age reversal therapies, pharmaceutical giants racing to create longevity drugs. Some experts believe the first person to reach 150 will benefit from technologies that don't even exist yet, but will be developed within the next 20 years. In other words, if you can live long enough, you may live much longer. But there's a darker side to this future. If humans start living to 150, what happens to society? Overpopulation, economic strain, inequality between those who can afford life extension and those who can't. There are also philosophical questions. What does it mean to live a full life? Will life lose meaning if it becomes too long? And perhaps the biggest question of all, should we interfere with the natural aging process? Science is moving fast, but society may not be ready. So when will humans start living to 150? Some scientists believe we are just decades away. Others say it could happen even sooner. The key turning point will be when we can reliably reverse cellular aging, prevent major diseases, repair or replace organs. Once those three barriers are broken, human lifespan could increase dramatically. And the most surprising part, we may already be closer than we think. Right now, somewhere in the world, a child may be born who will live to 150 years old. Or maybe that person is already alive. The science is real, the progress is accelerating, and the future of human life is about to change forever. The question is no longer if we can extend human lifespan, it's how far we're willing to go. If you found this video fascinating, make sure to subscribe to Infinite Science for more breakthroughs shaping the future. And tell us in the comments, would you want to live to 150 years old because the future is closer than you think?